My name is Matt. I'm a divorce attorney for almost 20 years. I'm in Chicago. I love this town. I like being able to get away and just have a day or two here. I don't need to spend a week here. Just like being near a giant body of water. Same way I kind of like being near mountains. But right now I got to settle for water. I like being able to stop in over here at the Cloud Gate, as you can see it through the trees. Giant silver bean. I like staying at this particular old 100-year-old hotel that's got all sorts of like prettiness to it. I like stopping in at Nando's. You don't know Nando's. Nando's uses this South African peri-peri pepper to make a special hot sauce, and they sell a bunch of chicken. It's almost like barbecued chicken. And unfortunately, there's not a Nando's in Minnesota at all. I also found they've got them in Washington, D.C., where I found them. I think those are the two places I've been to Nando's. So anyway, enjoying a little Chicago town, and it's important to have these sort of getaways. But the reason I'm bringing all this up to you is the fact that I talk a lot about how important it is for our clients to make sure that they've got a good mindset, that they're thinking about things, they're kind of interrogating some of the stories they've told themselves or that others have told them, and thinking twice about things, just having a good sense of balance. And the same goes for attorneys or even law firm owners like me, that you need to be able to recenter and kind of reboot a little bit. And I happen to be here for an American Bar Association conference on technology. I'm just doing a little 30-hour thing, but it's certainly because I love Chicago as much as I do. And I know I'm going to be able to get some Nando's, and I'm going to be able to stay at this beautiful little hotel with all of its like 100-year-old authenticity to it. And I'm going to be able to stop through Millennial Park here. That this is an easy yes for me because it allows me to recenter and make sure that my mindset is managed while making it time worthwhile. My name's Matt. I'm a divorce attorney for nearly 20 years. If you like this content or some of the other videos I've made, please like, comment, follow below. Thanks.